Hello, Tia. This lesson is from Book 87, Lesson 79. II stands for insufficient information. So they're going to give you problems that you see here. Well, this says x is what over y? Is it greater than, equal to, or less than? And it says that x and y are whole numbers. Well, it really doesn't give me enough information. And the reason why, if I do any whole number, this could be 5 and this could be 6. Or this could be 6, this could be 5. This could be 1,444, this could be 1. This could be 1, this could be 8,445. So they didn't give me enough information to be able to solve this, so I write II. I will allow you to write that in your lesson. Capital I dot would stand for insufficient information. On number 2 here, they have x and y. It says x are all positive numbers, y is all negative numbers. Well, if that's the case, all positive numbers are always larger than negative numbers. So 5 is larger than a negative 1. 50 is larger than a negative 50. So all of these, any numbers I plug in, x will always be larger than y. The third example here is a minus b equals 0. Well, if that's the case, any way I can get 0, it has to be a number minus itself. So it's 1 minus 1, 60 minus 60, 2,000 minus 2,000. So that means that a and b are equal. This covers lesson 79. I'm going to pause this now and set up for lesson 80, which is quite more extensive. Okay, Tia, I'm back. This is lesson 80, transformations. There's 3 types, and you're going to use a lot of graph paper on this one. There's 3 types of transformations. There's called the flip or reflection. So this triangle, notice that it's an opposite reflection. If I did a mirror and it's reflecting each other. So they're opposite. Look at how they're doing. A slide is just taking the original triangle and just sliding it over, redrawing it here. A turn or rotation, notice it's like this. I rotate it over to where my this side here is now here, so that is known as a rotation. So on my first one here, I did 3 over 3 up 1. I know it's hard to see this with this paper. You probably can't even tell it's graph paper, but it is. Okay, so I went 3, 1, then I went 3, 4, and then I did 1, 1. Well, if I do a reflection of it, I just come down. I'm going to go 3, negative 1 instead of 3, 1. Then I'm going to go 3, negative 4. Then I'm going to go 1 over and 1, negative 1. And that's known as a reflection. This is a translation. All I did was slide it over, and I did it at negative 1, negative 1, negative 1, negative 4, negative 3, negative 1. You're going to get lots of practice in this lesson with this. And this one is a rotation. Notice what I did is I rotated it. My side here is here. This is up here. So that was a rotation. I know it's kind of hard to see with this graph paper that basically goes through it. If you notice on your practice on A, they want you to do all the examples that are in the lesson on paper and follow the exact instructions they give you. So you're going to have 3 for part A, and all of them are the examples. The answers are there. You're just copying them on graph paper. On the other exercises, just give them a whirl. If you have any problems, let me know, and I might be able to help you, and maybe we can get together if this is too difficult for you. I don't think it will be if you read it carefully and follow what they have you do. Okay, I'm going to pause this, and I'm going to set up for the next lesson. Well, Tia, it's going to take a little bit of work to set up for the next lesson because you're going to need a compass and a ruler. I will try to remember to put a compass in your packet if you don't have one. You better make sure you put one in there, Mr. C, because she's going to need it. Yeah, she will, Minnie, I know. Okay, Tia, he's going to stop this one, and he's going to set up for the next one and just do that on a separate video. Good luck with these, and we miss you, and hope to see you soon. Bye-bye. Bye, Tia.